what's up guys?
So guys, we are back with
Another video.
We are gonna
Unbox Smash's Mega Light Up Dino Surprise.
Yes.
This is the newest Smash's Series 4.
So there are over 25 surprises inside,
Yes.
right?
And there are 2 characters to collect.
Okay. Amazing.
Oh yes.
So do you want to show anything about
Oh
it?
yes. The cool features about this is that it it makes sounds and it lights. See. Wait.
Oh,
So you can hear.
that's such a cute noise.
No, you do. The danger nice.
It's
The scary
amazing.
nice. Woohoo! So let's start unboxing.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Right.
So you can see
You can start. Maybe
Okay.
from here.
from this.
Maybe I'll start from here, and then you can remove the.
Okay. It's gonna be amazing. Pretty cool.
And fun. I can't remove.
So finally she pulled it out. You
Yeah.
can see.
Okay.
So like
Unwrap it.
I'm gonna unwrap it. Oh my god, it's going in circles and circles. Oh,
I'll be holding it from. Oh no!
oh my god.
I accidentally pressed the button.
So let's unwrap it and let's break it into it. So finally I unwrapped it. Wow, so it's a big orange
Okay,
ball.
fast.
Okay, so now it's a clear wrapper. Now that's easy to unwrap. And whoop. Okay, so here we got a plain
Nice.
Smash's orange egg. Let's smash it.
Smash.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god, so it's smashed. Oh my god. Wow.
The pieces are going everywhere.
Okay, so let's keep it aside.
Guys, the ZURU
And
stuff
let's
are amazing.
Oh yes, ZURU is amazing. I really love them. So this is the checklist to see what we got. So let's see like this. Oh my god, it's very hard to break. So you can.
Okay.
So I got T-Rex, I guess.
Yup, the red one.
Oh yes, the red one. So here's the map. It's a lava fizzing map. You can see, really amazing.
Okay, well, shall I scratch the first one?
We must break it.
Oh yes. What a crazy. Oh. Okay.
Okay, so this bag is amazing. Oh my god, it's like a fire comet
A
hitting.
flame?
Oh yeah,
It's like a comet, like
yeah, I guess
a fireball.
a fireball hitting, a dino. Oh my god,
It's amazing.
it's amazing.
We'll start unwrapping it first.
Okay, so we're getting all the stuff out. We have a volcano, an egg, mega light up dino,
That's super cool.
Oh yeah, lava slime,
I can feel some.
color change sand,
Oh wow.
another egg,
I think there are altogether how many eggs?
like four,
Eggs. Oh,
and the
one
left,
more.
stretchy foam. We got those volcano, those eggs to keep on and crack
let's
them up. Oh yes,
Oh yes.
and rebuild them. And we got the last egg.
Four eggs. So where is the map? We have the map,
Map.
and let's start scratching.
Oh yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna scratch the first one.
Every dino has a tale to tell. Oh, you got color change sand.
I got color change sand. Oh. So I got color
Change sand.
Okay, cutting. And then we have the soup. I can't remove it.
So she finally opened it.
Oh, yes. Okay, so like
Open the Ziploc bag thingy.
guys, I can't open anything.
It's too tight.
Ah. Okay. So I finally got the color change sand open.
Wow, amazing. Wow, amazing.
So I'm going to talk about this first. So is this gonna like color change?
I don't know.
Okay, we are gonna see whether it color changes or not. So guys,
It color changed.
oh my god, so when we put it to the freezer, it actually like the freezer, right?
Yes.
Yup. But for the hand temperature, it changes color.
Oh
again.
yes.
So this was amazing. This one was amazing, and we have the tail over here. Oh wow.
So the next one is my turn. Do you love dinosaurs? Okay, so let's scratch it and see. Oh, I got lava slime.
So there.
Okay, so this is what I got.
Oh wow.
So let's get into it. So here we got lava slime. So in this list, it says glow in the dark lava slime. So let's open it and see.
So guys, you all have to buy this stuff. It's amazing, especially the new Smashers one, because ZURU is amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. Can you like move it?
Okay. Okay, so this is the lava slime. Let's see.
Super
Oh
slimy.
my god. You can see the slime dripping. Oh my god.
Oh no, don't drop it in my hand.
Whoa, it's a slime rain. Oh my god. Wow, it's so satisfying, guys. Oh my god. So, amazing.
So we'll show you the slime.
So this is the glow in the dark lava slime. Amazing. I love it.
It's
so satisfying.
It's like jello.
Yes, jello.
Kind of like jello stuff.
Oh yes.
It's like,
So I really like
love
the
the
slime.
color.
Yes, love the color.
this is what
We got two sticky legs of slime filled in it.
slimy legs. Very disgusting.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's move on to our next finding or scratching stuff.
Oh yeah.
So it's our third round. How much do you know Volcan know?
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna scratch it out. What do we get?
Wow.
We get the fizzing lava. Let's open it. So guys, here is a fizzing lava. And keep this aside, and there we go. And then this is not for this now. Okay, peel. Oh, that's okay. So I'm gonna add water. 100 is this 160? So we have over here 160 milliliters of water, and we are gonna add to this. That's fizzy. Oh my god, guys. There we go. Oh wow. It's actually, oh wow. We have
Amazing.
a fizzing volcano over here. So that's kind of over.
Oh, so there's a piece sticking out. So I'll take it?
Yep. Do you find it? I can't see.
No, I can't.
Okay.
Okay. Take
The small, teeny tiny piece.
Oh,
That's
yes.
so cute.
Now we have the fourth round. You are heading in the right direction. So let's scratch it and see. Oh, we got stretchy foam. Amazing.
Okay.
So I got stretchy foam. Amazing.
Now we can open it now.
Okay. Open it. And here we get some bubbly slime surprise.
That looks so satisfying.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's more out.
What in the world is this?
I don't know.
Is it slime?
I guess.
Guys,
I thought it would be slime, but it's amazing. Oh, so this is the dino's head. Oh my god.
this is so satisfying, guys.
Oh yes.
See this. So satisfying.
satisfying.
I love it.
Me too.
Okay.
Wow. Amazing.
And this is the head.
Oh yeah. So this is the last one, guys. everybody wants a pet dino. Of course we want.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, that would be
so let's
cool,
both crash.
but it's also dangerous.
Oh yes.
Okay,
Let's
just
both
crash.
crash.
Both.
Oh. Oh, so we got that, you know, a little capsule inside a battery. So let's get that.
Okay.
So inside here there's a little capsule. So we must take it out.
Is it a capsule?
Yeah, I don't know, but
It's like a tube, like.
oh yes. So like you take it. Oh my god.
I can't wait to smash this.
So this is that little thing we said about. Amazing. So now we are gonna open the last blind bag. Like
That is the mega
light up dino.
Okay, open it first.
So this is its body. So let's build it up.
So
Guys, we got this amazing dino. So like up. Next time you can see scale like lighting up.
Looks so
Amazing.
cool. It's amazing. Well,
Amazing.
that was that.
And also we forgot to mention stickers. So amazing. Glow in the dark stickers. Amazing.
Yeah, that was that, and we'll open the eggs now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we have this now.
Oh amazing.
I'm really finding it hard to open, but oh come on, the dinosaur was shouting and shouting and singing what's happening.
Let's unbox them. Oh yeah. The first one.
Okay, me too. I'm really scared.
Okay. So this is the checklist to find what we got. So there are no rare ones.
There are no rounds.
Yes, no rare
That's
ones.
odd. I'm just really scared if I pop one right now. Oh no, it's also on wrapping like okay.
Okay.
Smash.
Wait. Okay. Wow! I got that gold caveman again.
Wow.
Flaming caveman.
That's-
He's not rare, I guess.
What
He's
did I
not.
get?
You got red hot raptor, and I got flaming caveman, like the glow in the dark caveman in that I said surprise.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Now we have one lost, like 2 eggs, and we'll smash that up.
Oh yeah.
3, 2, 1, smash.
Oh, I got
This is really.
burnt Bronto. I got burnt Bronto.
What's this?
Wow! You got
What's that? What's that?
Pyrodactyl. She got Pyrodactyl.
Oh wow, guys, this is amazing.
So we got
They're
these
just so
minifigures.
cute.
It is so cute. They're like flaming in the heat.
This is amazing, dude. Amazing.
So this is what we got today. It was amazing, epic. It was an epic adventure going through slimes.
Yup. So today unboxing was amazing and also, guys, really fun.
So if you subscribe our channel, we will open the Smashes Light Up Dinos mini surprise and the Rainbow Corns
So, guys,
mini surprise.
Please subscribe and also like our videos.
And don't forget to comment down below and like. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yup. Okay.
Subscribe. Oh my
and
God.
guys, also
Oh, yeah.
share our videos with your friends and families, like
Oh,
I'm
yes.
always telling y'all. It's amazing.
Okay, guys.
So
Oh.
here's like today was
Amazing.
Yup, unboxing was really fun today. Yes, smashes, ZURU smashes.
And don't forget that we're gonna finish reveal on 1 million views and 1 million views.
Yes,
Oh,
I
yes.
hope you like to see our
Faces,
faces.
not our hands.
Yup, and
Like always, hands for the rescue.
yup. So guys, please like and also subscribe. We are telling again, guys, please watch our videos.
If you comment down, don't forget that we are gonna unbox the amazing ZURU Lava Mega, mini surprise and the Rainbow Corns mini surprise. So don't forget, please comment. and
Yes.
like this video.
And also, guys, ZURU is amazing.
ZURU, amazing, the best.
Yup.
I really like
Cute
ZURU
toys and
Amazing toys. Oh yes.
to like unbox.
Oh yes.
Right? Yes. So guys, hope you enjoyed our video today unboxing Smash's what is it?
Smash your, sorry, Smash your light up DINO. Surprise.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Oh yes.
So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.